Einhell lithium-ion drill range. We have our 14.4 volt lithium-ion drill and our 18 volt lithium-ion drill. Both come with high quality keyless chuck, very easy to attach your drill bit or screw bit, 2-speed. 22 settings for your torque. The 18 volt is a high torque 36 Newton meters. Both come with lithium ion batteries and both are sold with the blow molded case as well as 2 lithium ion batteries. High powerful motors, ergonomic handle. Both drills have an additional feature on the top that shows you forward and reverse. It's the Einhell lithium ion drill range.